Hello everyone. So I did create an additional video with solving inequalities, specifically absolute value inequalities problems. I know sometimes they could be confused, you may have additional questions, so we will do a few quick examples together again and make sure everybody gets the concept. So when we have absolute value inequalities, we separate the inequalities into two inequality problems. So will be x plus 2 greater than 2, so we copy exactly the same thing. And the second inequality is x plus 2, what is inside the absolute value. Then we flip the sign. The sign from greater becomes smaller, and then we're adding negative sign to a number. So that is the difference between first inequality and the second inequality. Then we gotta solve those and graph it. So minus 2 on each side, I get x is greater than 0, first one. Then we have minus 2, those two cancel, so x is less than negative 4 is the second answer. We can graph it, and I put negative 4 over here and 0 over here. X greater than 0 is an open circle that goes to the right. X less than negative 4 is another open circle that goes to the left. With this, we are done with the first example. Next example is absolute value of 2x plus 3 less than 6. So again, 2x plus 3 less than 6, the same. Then we have 2x plus 3 greater than negative sign and 6. We calculate those. Minus 3, those two cancel. So 2x is less than 6 minus 3 is 3. Then we divide by 2. So x is less than 1.5. That will be the first number for x. And then we have minus 3 here. 2x will be greater than negative 9 divided by 2. So x is greater than negative 4.5. Second value. And I'm gonna just draw the graph over here. And I will put negative 4.5 over here and positive 1.5 over here. For negative 4.5, we have open circle. X is greater than, it goes in this direction. X less than 1.5 is another open circle, and it goes in this direction. So that will be the solution of the graph for this absolute value work. Alright, and third example, 4c plus 5 greater or equal 7. So again, 4c plus 5 greater than 7. 4c plus 5 less or equal, flip the sign, add the negative, and put number 7. So those, minus 5 here, minus 5, 5 minus 5 cancel, so 4c will be greater than 2. We'll divide by 4, so c is greater than 1/2. Or also 1/2 is 0.5. Next one will be minus 5 on each side, those two cancel, so for c less or equal negative 12 divided by 4, c is less or equal negative 3. On the graph, I'm gonna draw and put negative 3 over here and 0.5 over here. So negative 3 will be closed circle. C values are all less than that number. And right here, when we have 0.5, C is open circle and all the solutions are greater than, so we will go to the opposite direction. And with this, my graph is completed. I do have one more example. Another example that you may see with absolute value inequality problems is when you have number outside, just like when we do the equations. So we gotta get rid of this number first before we separate the inequality into two parts. So what we're gonna do, we will divide by 7 first. So 7 and 7 cancel, and we're gonna have 3x minus 8 greater or equal 7 over 7 as 1. And this will be the absolute value of this greater or equal 1. Then we will separate that into two parts, and first one will be 3x minus 8 greater or equal 1, and second part will be 3x minus 8 lesser equal, so flipping the sign and adding negative sign to 1. Solving both of those two parts, plus 8 plus 8, 3x will be greater or equal 9, divide by 3, x is greater or equal 3, first answer. Second answer will be plus 8 plus 8, those two cancel, 3x is lesser equals 7, divide by 3, so x is lesser equals 7 over 3, which is approximately 2.33 something like that. You can calculate it on your calculator if you want to. And then we will make a graph. So on the graph I will put 2.33 over here and positive 3 over here. So 2.333, we have closed circle, lesser equal, and x is less than, so we're gonna go in this direction. Oops, I'm sorry. X less than means we're going to the opposite. Less, all values for x will be less than this direction. And then we have closed circle. X greater than 3 means all values for those will go to the opposite. So we have two opposite graphs. And the solutions for this and this will be through the opposite way. Alright, well, thank you for watching the video. We'll have all the discussions during class time if you need my help. Otherwise, you can just keep working on the problems. Thank you and have a great day.